Pink is more than just a color, it's a statement. Whether soft and subtle or bold and dramatic, pink can transform your home into a stylish and chic haven. From blush-toned walls to vibrant fuchsia accents, let's explore stunning ways to infuse pink into your decor with elegance and charm. Choosing the right shade of pink. The key to a stylish pink home is selecting the perfect shade. Soft pastels like blush and dusty rose create a serene and sophisticated look, while deeper shades like magenta or hot pink add energy and drama. Consider the mood you want to evoke, romantic and airy or modern and bold, and choose accordingly. Pink walls and statement pieces. For a big impact, consider pink walls. A blush pink accent wall in the living room or bedroom adds warmth without overwhelming the space. If painting isn't an option, go for statement furniture, think a plush pink velvet sofa or a chic rose-colored armchair. These pieces instantly elevate your space while keeping it trendy. Layering textures with pink. To add depth and richness, mix pink with different textures. Soft linen curtains, velvet cushions, or a wool throw in shades of pink create a cozy yet stylish atmosphere. Metallics like gold or brass pair beautifully with pink, adding a touch of glamour and sophistication. Pink accents and accessories. If you prefer a subtle approach, use pink in accents and decor pieces. A set of blush-toned vases, rose-colored candles, or a pink-hued rug can bring a fresh and feminine feel without overpowering the space. Pink florals, like peonies or roses, also make for a timeless and natural way to introduce the color. Pairing pink with other colors. Pink pairs beautifully with a variety of colors. Soft neutrals like white, beige, or gray keep the look elegant and understated. For a contemporary twist, mix pink with navy blue or emerald green for a striking contrast. If you love a glam aesthetic, pairing pink with gold or black adds a luxurious touch. Bringing pink into every room. In the bedroom, pink bedding or an upholstered headboard creates a dreamy, romantic vibe. In the kitchen, blush-colored dinnerware or rose gold appliances add a trendy flair. Even in the bathroom, pink tiles or towels can make the space feel fresh and stylish. Whether you go all out with pink walls or add just a touch of rosy charm through accessories, pink is a versatile color that brings warmth, style, and personality to any space. So, embrace the beauty of pink and create a home that feels effortlessly chic and inviting. What's your favorite way to use pink in home decor? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more stylish home inspiration.